In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create curved text using WordArt in Microsoft Word. This is a great way to add some flair and creativity to your documents, and you'll see how simple it can be with just a few clicks. To get started, open up your document in Microsoft Word and head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of options to insert different elements into your document, including WordArt, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Click on WordArt, and you'll see a selection of styles pop up. Take a moment here to browse through the different options and choose a style that resonates with the look you're going for. Once you've made your selection, click on it. Now you'll see a WordArt box appear in your document. This is where you can enter your text. Type in the words or phrase you'd like to transform, and once you're satisfied with what you've written, simply press Enter. This will place the text within the style of WordArt you selected. With your WordArt object created, it's time to give it some shape. Click on your WordArt text to make sure it's selected. Doing this will bring up the Shape Format tab on the ribbon. Depending on the version of Word you're using, you might see this tab labeled as Drawing Tools, followed by Format. Either way, this tab is home to all the tools you need for formatting shapes, including text effects. Once you're on the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Text Effects. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to Transform. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to mold your text into various shapes and effects. Under the section labeled Follow Path, you'll notice several options to choose from. For today, we're going to select Circle, but feel free to experiment with any curved effect that suits your project. Now that your text is curved, you might need to tweak its appearance a bit. You can simply click and drag a corner handle of the WordArt box to resize it. This will help you get the text to form just the circular or arched shape you're aiming for. As you're doing this, Word will automatically adjust the text fitting, making it an intuitive and responsive process. If you want to add a little more movement, you can also rotate the object to find that perfect alignment. And there you have it, a beautifully curved piece of WordArt, ready to enhance any document you're working on. Whether you're using this for a flyer, invitation, or just to have a bit of fun with your text formatting, these steps will have you mastering WordArt in no time.